Thank you for being a Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center member. Members are now being issued digital membership cards for iPhone and Android devices. This video will guide you through downloading your digital membership card to your smart mobile device. First, open the email you received about your digital card on your iPhone. See a green button that says Download Membership Card? Tap this button and a page in your browser will open with an Add to Wallet button. Tap this button and then select Add at the top right of your screen to save the card to your app. Now you can close the page by selecting Done. Let's reopen the wallet to see your downloaded card. Please return to your home screen by hitting your iPhone's Home button. Then navigate to the Wallet app, which is pre-installed on all iOS devices. If you don't see your Wallet app, swipe left until you see a search bar on your screen. Type Wallet into the search bar and click the wallet icon that appears under Applications. Your Wildflower Center membership card will be in the wallet's contents. If your digital membership card isn't the first thing that you see when you open your wallet app, swipe right or left or down to scroll until you see your membership card. To share the digital card, you will need to download the card onto your device and then share it using the following steps. Tap the button located either at the top right or bottom right of your card. Find the Share Pass option or the Share icon. Tap this to send the card via email to the secondary cardholder. The email will contain an attachment. After they tap the attachment and then select Add, the digital card will be added to their device. Now you are ready to present your digital card and photo ID to the admission representative at our ticketing window. Please remember your membership benefits are non-transferable and photo ID will be required. If you need further assistance, please contact the Center's membership department at members@wildflower.org or 512-232-0220. Thank you for being a member of the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center.